It's time for Top That Trade. Joining us right now, Alan Nuckman of Agora Financial and Phil Flynn, a Fox Business Network contributor. Here we go, guys. Ready to go with round number one, blank check trend. Companies are now going public and bypassing the conventional IPO process. What's the upside?
Well, the upside is that the insiders get paid a lump sum, and then the other company takes it public. So they can more guarantee what they're going to get, and they're not at the whims of the market. But they're also giving up that first day pop, but they still hold back some of their shares. So it is a way for insiders to cash out.
I think right now the IPO market has been really, really hot. So whatever way you do it, whether you do it through a private IPO or a regular IPO, that is it. But, a lot of the people, of course, they like to clamor to get those IPOs. There's not as many people that are going to be able to take advantage of this going public a different way. So the best thing to do, of course, when you're looking at this kind of thing, the IPO market's going to probably continue to be hot with all the stimulus. So you got to look at both ways. But I think at the end of the day, we like the IPOs.
Round number two, X out. There's a stock ETF that excludes losers. Pick your best stock that is negative over the last year of trade.
Well, I'm basically an energy guy, and a lot of these energy stocks have been negative because of the COVID-19 virus, concerns about demand destruction. But, we've been coming back right now, and there's a lot of value. One stock that got shut down really big was the overseas oil company, CNOOC, C-N-O-O-C. It pays a dividend. It's really been beat up because of this, but its numbers look good. Chinese oil demand has come back dramatically, and even concerns about a U.S.-China trade war, we don't expect Chinese demand to cool off anytime soon. So we're still bullish on China long-term, even with the trade concerns here in the U.S.
So you're saying, Phil, that you're a low energy guy, as in low price, low, buy low, sell high. So that ETF that only buys stocks that are in the top 250 of the S&P, that doesn't make sense to me, because there are a lot of stocks that you want to get when they look bad. The stock I like beer. I like TAP. TAP has been trading between 35 and 45. So we're hanging down here a little low, and I see bullish divergence, which for me is a very positive sign.
Round number three, coin call. Well, banks and stores in America are running out of coins, and that has a euro currency jumping to a new year high. What is your coin call?
I think you have to buy copper, right? They make pennies out of copper, and there's a shortage of copper. It can go up. But think about this. Did you ever think we'd run out of loose change? In fact, for the first time in history, banks would actually pay you money to bring them change.
5%.
That's how crazy things they get. I know.
You can't get 5% anywhere.
Yeah, that's right.
I'm on the sidewalk as soon as it's over collecting coins. I got to get, but I like the euro currency. It's at 115, which is a midpoint in the last 5 years. The last 10-year midpoint is 130, so there's still some more upside on that.
When they said that the coins were shortage, somebody said that the coin machine was broken, and I said, what? It doesn't make any sense. But that's not the other thing. The other thing is that, did you know this, that 80% of the coins that you use every day are recirculated? And part of the problem was we're running out of coins is that people were staying home. They didn't want to pay with cash. They were using their credit cards. So the money didn't move around in the system. People were staying home. They didn't go to drop off at the store when they got off the train because they were at home. The other thing is that the mint actually increased their production by billions of coins. So if you're a coin collector, 2020 coins 20 years from now, probably not going to be worth a lot because they're printing a lot more.
The dollar is at 4-month lows, so that's good for everything we look at, if you're bullish.
On to the bonus round question for today. It's a true or false. Let's keep it simple. Coca-Cola says it's going to streamline its portfolio by ditching what it calls zombie brands. True or false?
True.
Absolutely.
It's absolutely true. Great job. Winner, winner, chicken dinners all the way around. Thank you so much. Business First AM continues right after this. For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.